Hi everyone, welcome to Filipina British EyeStory channel. Today I will be showing you my ingredients for the sauce of my cod fish. So I will be cooking cod with this ingredient as my sauce. It's quite easy to cook them. Easy and quick sauce for my cod fish. So I've got parsley here, and then tomato sliced into tiny slices, and then onions and garlic. Very easy to prepare this sauce. This is the codfish, which I have fried, very quick frying, maybe 2 minutes, just to give it a bit of a color. So this is the codfish that I have fried for 2 minutes, just to give a bit of color. All cooking nice. Yeah. Looking nice. My fish pot. And then there's a potato. Looking good. It's looking good. My fish cod. Very nice. This has been fried. Very nice potato. It goes well with the codfish. Very good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe of codfish. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Filipina British EyeStory. Bye for now.